chain that is balanced with a centralized supply chain. Supply chain coordination strategies are studied from various literature, ranging return policy, sales policy, product sharing contract. Supply chain integration must consider that strategic, tactical, and operational level. That is the study we want to see the key factor in the optimal implementation of the internal resource of the organization, vendor and customer of the product. Because supply chain integration has a close relationship between product design and implementation of supply chain integration. Okay, in this research to address the problem of research that current study explain the change of source process in company to integration of supply chain. The problem in competitiveness of food product in West Java, one of which is due to the relatively expensive of raw material that must be purchased. In addition, the quality of existing food product is still lower than import product, so that the scientific power from the price is become less. The high price of raw material required is due to the relatively long supply chain of food product. In addition, food product that are easy damage make shipment meant to be carried out quickly, so can't run the process effectively. Okay. In terms of supply chain management for food product, there are various activities carried out starting from seeding activity, production, and processing agricultural product. Cultivation of high economic agricultural crops, commodity that are widely planted as agricultural product include broccoli, cayenne, pepper, coconut, corn, etc. in terms of production by farmer. Supervision to distributor of product by farmer is very difficult. So that the identification of this article is how coordination and integration of supply chain through performance of food product business. The theoretical study in this paper, I explain about supply chain coordination, supply chain integration, and supply chain performance. Research method in this article, I use literature review, so it's be based on my second article or be a purpose to the next research. And in this literature review, I was analyzed by journal, books, and internet source. The author examined various phenomena discussed in journal and other literature related to the writing presented by the author. The study discussed is about the variable of supply chain coordination, supply chain integration, and supply chain performance. The research used journal about supply chain coordination, supply chain integration, and supply chain performance. Okay, I propose model about this article because this is a literature review. I mean, in the next research, I will use 3 variables about coordination, integration, supply chain, and supply chain performance. After I analysis about 3 variables, the coordination, supply chain coordination is in the food product is not just a transactional relationship, but rather leads to a mutual relationship. Member of supply chain who coordinate to become a member of the supply chain with a closer relationship with attention to have value added of each member in supply chain. The dimension of supply chain coordination, after I analysis the literature, I have 3 dimensions. First is simple information exchange between member of the supply chain. Second is formulated information, and the third is the coordination that is carried out in the food product business. The supply chain integration, after I analysis the article and journal, the integration process include the activity of obtaining, sharing, and combining strategic knowledge and information flow that connect and coordinate external parties of the organization that are directly related to the most efficient flow of product and information from food product. Supply chain integration dimension, after I analyze the literature, I have 7 dimension. The first is the exchange of information through network. Second is use the computerized system. Third is sharing of market information. 4 is sharing of product availability information. 5, order fulfillment management process. 6, level of customer complaints. And 7 is evaluation of customer satisfaction. And the supply chain performance, after I analysis the article, I have model. I will use a model, score model, or supply chain operation reference. Supply chain atau score model is developed by Supply Chain Council. It's aimed to analyze 4 dimension. I have 4 dimension. Use the score model, that is commercial performance, reliability, flexibility, responsiveness, and supply chain cost and commitment capital turnover. Okay, the conclusion in this paper, supply chain coordination can be measured by the dimension of information exchange, formulate information, and partnership. Meanwhile, supply chain integration can be measured by relationship with customer, exchange of information through network, use of computerized system, sharing of market information, sharing of product availability information, and process of order fulfillment management, and level of complaints customer, serta evaluation of customer satisfaction. Organization performance can be measured by business performance and management performance, where supply chain performance can be measured by competitive performance and internal factor. Based on the discuss on the point previously, there was the effect of supply chain coordination integration supply chain performance through organization performance. Okay, finish. Thank you for your attention. I give back time to moderator.
Thank you very much, Mr. Yun Yun. Please give a warm applause. Mr. Yun Yun talk about supply chain coordination and integration on supply chain performance in food business. This is the literature review, and this study indicates the effect of supply chain coordination and integration to supply chain performance. Well, ladies and gentlemen, now if anyone has any question, I'm sure the speakers would be pleased to answer them. Yes, please. Any question for this session? Yes, please, Mrs. Anche. Yes, okay. Okay.
Okay, thank you for this time, Miss Pretty Woman, Miss Moderator. I want to try to one question to Mr. Pansromi, yeah, but I don't more understand about your presentation, so I want to try about ask to you what is the relationship between what is the relationship sorry, what is the relationship between emotional intelligence and then spiritual intelligence and organizational ethical culture? Do you understand what I mean? Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, head of LPPM.
Yes, please, Mr. Romi.
Okay. Thank you so much for head LPPM Universitas Jenderal Ahmad Yani about relationship or 3 variables in this research. But number 1 is ethical behavior. Ethical behavior as relationship to emotional intelligence. And then ethical behavior is often associated with a person behavior or attitude trait, the determination of right or wrong. in conduct and also with regard to moral principle in this our here life. And then relationship spiritual intelligence to emotional intelligence. And this spiritual intelligence is once intelligent in comforting and solving problem, meaning and the value by placing human behavior and live in the context of broad meaning. Okay, and the last for relationship spiritual intelligence to organizational ethical culture. The ethical culture of organizational relationship is a standard that combine external and internal adaptation in our organization. Finish maybe enough.
Mrs.
Okay.
Mrs. Anja, it is clear for the answer
Clear
by
or
Mr.
Pentil?
Romi.
Yes. Okay. Support and then apa? Yeah, support. Yes.
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 Okay.
Two variable have positive significant. Yeah, to organizational behavior. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Mrs. Anja. Well, thank you, Mr. Romi, for the good answer. And maybe for the other speakers,
Okay.
any question, please, for the other speakers? There is no question?
I have question.
Okay. If there is no question, I think that's all our session today for this seminar, for this conference. Thank you for the speaker, all the speakers.
Thank you.
Mrs. Dwi Indah, Mr. Yun Yun, Miss Rizka, Miss Perby, and Mr. Franz. Yes. Okay. Thank you very much for all the presentation. Well, thank you for attention. Thank you for all the speakers. I'm sorry if I make mistake. Thank you for attention. And next, back to the Master of Ceremony, please. Thank you.
Check. Check. So, Mr. Ying, I think we got all the early brainstorming because it's still in the morning, but we got a lot of knowledge from this seminar.
Okay, thank you everybody. I will appreciate your here to be here, and especially the chief of LPPM, Mrs. Ance, and all of you presenter or participant. Now we will join to Lampung University, yeah, to share.
Yeah, we will be joining Unila University, but before that, let's recall all the speakers said. Yeah, but the one thing that I remember, the second speaker, Mr. Aditya, said that we need to be a greater attention to handling this COVID-19 pandemic. So that's why all the ladies and gentlemen, please keep safety and have a nice day for today.
Okay, thank you everybody. Let's enjoy this seminar international conference. Okay, on behalf of the committee, thank you very much and good. Say good morning, okay? I'm sorry. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Yeah. Salam Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya.
Bapak Ibu mungkin nanti sambil nonton siaran langsungnya, kalau ada yang mau lunch sudah dulu. Oh, sudah aja, mungkin di sebelah sana sampai jalan. Tapi mohon barangkali kita langsung posisi kita karena mungkin live ya, agak pertama mungkin barangkali agak jarak, kemudian kalaupun keluar ya bergiliran barangkali ya, sebaiknya di situ. Ya. Minimal yang muda-muda keep stay gitu ya.